perhaps too early, just got married. Okay, so now that the roof has been removed, it's still got a casualty that needs to be taken out of the car safely on a longboard, so that's what will now happen. Before that happens, obviously we've now created a risk around the car, both for us and our emergency services that are present. So we've now created a... Move your stabilisation, one pin in the floor back, please. So you'll notice the first thing the incident commander did was a full 360 around the car. This is to make sure there are no additional hazards, either to us or members of the public, and also to see if there's anything else or anybody else involved in the incident. Initial stabilisation has gone under the feet post at the front here, because obviously they're going to open the door, so they haven't changed the dynamics of the car. So what they've done is put an initial block on there, so there's no movement on the car, which is making his spinal injuries worse. We've also put on a steering wheel protection for the airbag, so that if the airbag was deployed out whilst they're working in that area, it'd stop it from coming onto the casualty or onto any firefighters working in that area. We've put chocks at the front as well to stop it from going. The first part of the stabilisation they would have done was put the handbrake on, so obviously we take away the chance of the car rolling forwards or backwards, and now they're putting in their chocks and blocks to make a nice stable platform as they're moving around the car. Work with me. At an RTC there's a golden hour. That is from the moment of impact, from the moment the car has an accident. We aim as a combined emergency service to have the casualty or any casualties in hospital within an hour. And within that hour we have a 20-minute window as a fire service to do our extrication. So you'll notice this driver's side door's been opened as far as we can. We've cut the door stay and we're pinning it back open. The reason we do this is because if the casualty was to go downhill, although our plan A, our main plan is to take the roof. So you'll notice as well that where the rescuer is in relation to where the casualty is at the moment, they're at the exact height where it needs to be at, and they can still administer first aid if they need to whilst they're being lowered from the building. That's not by fluke, that's by design. They make it so that the rescuer is just above the casualty head end, so they can still administer CPR if they need to, they have to speak to the casualty, they have to reassure them as they're coming down. Obviously this is a great height, but sometimes it can be much higher than this as well, and it is take on that.
Game. Sorry, Jill. Can you
the blue line you can see, which was dropped from above with the command and stand from under, to make sure that none of the lines are coming up from above them, so that it's safety below. That line is used to keep casualty away from the building to be able to control where they are in relation to the ladder in the building as they come down. Guidelines to guide them away from the building to the ladder. Operators will work together to lower the casualty down at slow speed control. Both lines are hanging out at the same time, and we can lower the casualties to ground floor. And as I said, we have two lines in case one fails, so we've got safety as well as the lowering. window height, and then safely move out the window and down to the ground floor. First of all, we set up a raising system. We always use two lines for safety. One will be the raising and lowering line, and the other one will be a safety line in case the raising line or the lowering line fails for some reason. Which you shouldn't do, but we always make sure we've got an added layer of control measures in place. Right now, the firefighter at the top of the ladder is doing some strong surrounding outside the ladder so we have a pulley system. What we'll do is once we've got the canopy ready, we'll raise the ladder higher than what the window is on high deviation. Yeah, we get the canopy safely out the window and lower it down to the ground floor. You'll see also that the firefighters take a leg lock, that's so that they can use their hands freely and not have to hold onto the ladder, so it's still secure on the ladder once they have a leg lock.
Oh, yeah, you can see what it does.